Just before 7 p.m. on April 6th, our deputies responded to a shots fired call at a home on 176th Street East and B Street in Spanaway. When they arrived on scene, both the victim and the suspect were gone. A few hours later, the victim showed up to the hospital with a gunshot wound. You can see the deputy checking out the car there, and there was a bullet hole in the door as well as one in the windshield. Deputies were able to establish probable cause when they spoke to the victim, and now it was time to track down our suspect to arrest him for assault in the first degree.
Ma'am, come back to us.
The next day, deputies discovered the suspect had returned home. They called out to the man who was in his vehicle and then performed a felony stop. Take a look.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Keep your hands up, walk backwards, hands in the air, slowly. Keep moving.
What's that? Yep.
Keep moving.
Keep moving, come on.
Keep walking.
Yeah. Keep coming. Stop right there. Stop. Go down to your knees. Hands on your head.
Got anything on you? Being audio and video recorded, you understand?
And that's it. That's what an arrest of a dangerous person looks like, or what it should look like. When a suspect cooperates, it's just that easy.